Hey, it's Isaac with Release Cleaner and welcome back to another education series video. Today we are going to talk about what dilution is right for your cleaning task. If you don't know how to dilute Release Ultra, watch our video How to Dilute Release Ultra. You can find a link to it right above my head somewhere over there, maybe over there. And then come back and watch this video that's going to go a little bit more in depth. Diluting is the art of adding a solvent to a concentrate that results in your ready-to-use cleaning mixture like these here. If you've watched any of the other videos on here, you've heard me talk about what ratio I use, but the real truth is you can use Release at whatever dilution you want to mix it to. Our team has set up some guidelines that we found work best in specific cleaning tasks. However, a good rule of thumb is the worse the mess, use more Release Ultra Concentrate. Let's start off with the big mess. There's a lot to clean. We recommend using 1 part concentrate for 20 parts water or a 1 to 20 dilution. The reason why we suggest this is because this mixture has the most dissolved solids that will associate with the many soils on the surface that you're cleaning. Remember that time is everything when cleaning with Release, so the more time you let it sit, the better results you'll have. Examples of areas to use a 1 to 20 mixture are carbon soot, grease, oil, caked on bugs, or any tough organic soils. You can use Release on any surface, such as, but not limited to, carpet, leather, painted metals, aluminum, stainless steel, fabrics, and many more. For general everyday cleaning, or cleaning surfaces with dust, dirt, or moderate soils, we recommend using 1 part concentrate for 40 parts water or a 1 to 40 dilution. The reason why we suggest this is because this mixture is kind of in the middle. It still has tough cleaning power, but there isn't as much concentrate to clean off of the surface. Examples of areas to use a 1 to 40 mixture are the bodies of cars, airplanes, boats, countertops, stovetops, vehicle and airplane interior pieces such as rubber, plastic, and leather. On shiny surfaces such as glass, plexiglass, aluminum, and stainless steel that need a touch-up with a clear finish, we recommend using 1 part concentrate for 100 parts water or a 1 to 100 dilution. This makes a fantastic glass cleaner at a great value, and we suggest this because it has the least amount of dissolved solids in the mixture. There is less of the mixture you have to clean off, leaving a clear and shiny surface behind without the bugs or dirt. You can also use Release 100 to 1 on screens such as avionics or car entertainment systems. We do recommend using a half a spray onto a soft microfiber cloth and gently wiping the cloth on that screen. You should never spray screens directly. This mixture will lift fingerprints and other oils left on the screens and leave a clean and clear product. Give Release a try at one of these ratios and let us know how it worked for you. We always love hearing from our customers and even have a new gallery page on our website where you can submit pictures of your completed cleaning task with everyone else. If you have any questions, we are happy to answer them. Shoot us an email, call us, or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching today's video and be sure to check out releasecleaner.com.